ice water challenge. Anushka here to put it on my head. Just so you know, I'm doing it like legit. Buckets with ice, baby. You ready, baby?
Yeah.
I've just been to the 1,000 steps, so I'm already freezing, and it started raining as well. So I'm really cold. First? Yeah.
Are you taking serious?
Okay. Alright, I just gonna. It's really cold. Oh my god. I can't think right now. My next My next nominees are gonna be Brooke Rizzo, my cousin, Jacob Horn, my neighbour, Vincent Falcone, my other cousin, Marie, and Anushka. Just do it as fast as you can. That's the best payback. Oh, fuck.
I don't want to get a Lola.
Fuck.
Should I just do it?
Oh my god!
It sounds like a fire.
I'm gonna die. Get faster! I'm gonna kill you.
This one? Should I do that one faster? You might want to let
I can't breathe.
Are you good?
I'm good. Just go.
Shit, do you even lift?
Oh my god!
Okay.
Let's go! Let's go! Quickly!
Stop, go!
Okay! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh my god! I can't do this! Oh, let's do it! Do it! So cold!
And she's dripped down. She's gone. She's gone.
I have to have a shower. I'm sorry.
Have you like stopped recording? Okay. There you go.
Got me some of that good girl. It literally took my fucking breath away. I'm sorry for the swearing, but that shit is cold. Alright, it was like, how you doing? Fresh out the bag. Fuck. Put it straight to people who haven't done it. It takes your breath away. If you've got it cold enough, you can't think straight. That Titanic shit, Rose and Jack, like, they're not lying. They're fucking cold. Either gonna put my donations towards bowel cancer, ovarian cancer, or breast cancer. I'll figure it out. I'm glad I did it. Fuck, it was like my first probably internet challenge that I've really done. Never again. Ever again. If you want to check out more of my videos, whether you love me or hate me, whatevs, thanks for the view anyway, check out the links below. Mwah! Bye guys. Sorry, I just got really excited with the outro. Here's the music anyway. Bye!